In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your game to the archive. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to make sure each finished game is safely stored for later review or sharing. The archive is your personal library of completed games, so keeping it up to date makes it easy to track progress, revisit key moments, and show your best plays to others. Here's how it works. As soon as a game ends and you land on the final results or summary screen, look toward the bottom of the game screen. You should see a button labeled Save to Archive. Go ahead and click or tap that button once. That single action saves the finished game to your archive. You may notice a brief spinner or a quick confirmation message, depending on your device. Once it completes, your game is safely stored and ready to review later. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, you can also rely on automatic saving. Running a game review or sharing the game immediately after it ends will automatically add it to your archive. In other words, if you open the review to analyze your moves, or you share the game link or summary, the system saves it for you behind the scenes. There's no need to press Save to Archive again, and it won't create duplicates. The game will just appear once in your archive. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. First, make sure you're truly on the end of game screen. The Save to Archive button only appears after the game has fully finished. On some devices, you may need to scroll to the bottom to see it. If you've already saved the game, you might see a different status indicator, or the button may no longer be present. That simply means it's already archived. Also, a stable internet connection helps the save go through quickly, so give it a moment if your network is slow. After saving, you can head to your archive whenever you want to find the game. From there, you can open it for analysis, share it with friends or teammates, and compare it with your other matches. Keeping your archive organized is a great habit. It makes it easier to spot patterns, celebrate improvements, and learn from your decisions over time. That's all there is to it. To save a finished game, click Save to Archive at the bottom of the game screen, or just start a game review or share the game and it will be added automatically. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your archive.